Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Anshika Mishra. Today we'll talk about traumatic stress associated with smaller brain region. Adults with post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, have smaller cerebellums, according to new research from a Duke-led brain imaging study. The findings, published in the journal Molecular Psychiatry, have prompted Huggins and her lab to start looking for what comes first: a smaller cerebellum that might make people more susceptible to PTSD, or trauma-induced PTSD that leads to cerebellum shrinkage. The cerebellum, a part of the brain well known for helping to coordinate movement and balance, can influence emotion and memory, which are impacted by PTSD. What isn't known yet is whether a smaller cerebellum predisposes a person to PTSD or PTSD shrinks the brain region. The difference were largely within the posterior lobe, where a lot of the more cognitive function attributed to the cerebellum seemed to localize, as well as the vermis, which is linked to a lot of emotional processing function, said Ashley Huggins, Ph.D., the lead author of the report, who helped carry out the work as a postdoctoral researcher at Duke in the lab of psychiatrist Raj Morey, M.D. Huggins, now an assistant professor of psychology at the University of Arizona, hopes that these results encourages others to consider the cerebellum as an important medical target for those with PTSD.
Are you also aspiring to excel in medical journalism and delve into the intricacies of health and medical reporting? Explore our comprehensive course on medical and health journalism available at the Medical Dialogues Academy. Learn from industry experts who possesses in-depth knowledge and experience in this field. For further details, scan the QR code provided or access the link in the description box below.
If we know what areas are implicated, then we can start to focus interventions like brain stimulation on the cerebellum and potentially improve treatment outcomes, Huggins said. A grapefruit-sized lump of cells that looked like it was clumsily tracked underneath the back of the brain as an afterthought, the cerebellum is best known for its role in coordinating balance and choreographing complex movements like walking or dancing. But there is much more to it than that. It's a really complex area, Huggins said. If you look at how densely populated with neurons it is relative to the rest of the brain, it's not that surprising that it does a lot more than balance and movement. Dense may be an understatement. The cerebellum makes up just 10% of a brain's total volume, but packs in more than half of the brain's 86 billion nerve cells. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.